You're gonna love the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. Make every project a breeze in this versatile Crosstrek. Whether you choose the plug-in hybrid or gasoline-powered model, you'll love the all-weather capability and spacious cargo capacity of this can-do crossover. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, backup camera, heated front seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels. SUV capability with a comfortable car-like ride. That's the Crosstrek. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.